Ready to blast off into the world of decentralized finance and grab some Sparkpoint SRK? In this fast-paced guide, we'll show you how to buy Sparkpoint on Uniswap. Step first. Make sure you have a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet installed, then funded with some Ethereum. Head over to Uniswap's website, YEuro, that's a Uniswap YEuro, and click Connect Wallet. In the top right corner, select your wallet from the list and follow the prompts to connect it to Uniswap. Now, in the swap interface, you'll see to token select that in the top field YEuro, that's what you'll be swapping from. Click the Select a Token button below and paste in the Sparkpoint token contract address. You can find the correct address on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or the Sparkpoint website. Always double check you have the correct address to avoid scams. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap for SRK. Uniswap will automatically calculate the estimated amount of SRK you'll receive. Before you hit swap, pay attention to the slippage tolerance setting. Slippage is the difference between the expected price and the actual price you pay due to price fluctuations. A higher slippage tolerance increases the chance your transaction will go through, especially for smaller tokens, but you might get slightly fewer tokens than expected. Start with the default and increase if your transaction fails. Finally, click Swap, review the transaction details in your wallet, and confirm it. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, congratulations! You're now a Sparkpoint holder. Remember to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.